Friends, today we are going to learn about another national occupational standard to help customer choose right products. Under qualification pack retail sales associate. If you like my video, kindly share and subscribe my channel Retail Management Skills Classes by AKM. Now let us start with the nose. The whole nose is divided into two elements. The first element is help customer choose right product. This element comprises of 7 pieces, and element 2 check the customer's preference and buying decision when making sale comprises of 6 pieces. Let us discuss the various performance criteria under these two elements one by one. Element 1 help customer choose product. PC1 find out which product features and benefit interest individual customer and focus on these when discussing product. PC2 describe and explain clearly and accurately relevant product features and benefit to the customer. PC3 compare and contrast product in the way that help customer choose the product that best meet their need. PC4 check customers' response to his her explanation and confirm their interest in the product. PC5 encourage customer to ask question and respond to their question, comment and objection in the way that promote sales and goodwills. PC6 identifies suitable opportunity to tell the customer about the associated or additional product and do so in a way that promotes sales and goodwill. PC7 constantly check the store for security, safety, and potential sales, whilst helping customer. Now, element 2 check customer preferences and buying decision when making sale. PC8 give customer enough time to evaluate product and ask question. PC9 handle objection and questions in a way to that promote sales and keep the customer confidence. PC10 identify the need for additional and associated product and take the opportunity to increase sales. PC11 clearly acknowledge the customer's buying decision. PC12 clearly explain any customer right that apply. PC13 clearly explain to the customer where to pay for their purchase. Before elaborating the different performance criteria, let us discuss a case study to understand the NOS better. So this is the case study. The store Shima works at has just started a sale. A lady enters the store and mentions that she needs to buy a dress for an interview. Seema shows her the dress section and allow the customer some time to look around. The lady walks around and decided to pick up an electrical red dress. She does not try it on and simply walks toward the billing counter. The dress is expensive and Seema is happy that she has just made a sale, that too with huge profit. Now, there are certain questions related to this case study. Number 1. Do you think customer made the right decision? Of course, not, as formal dress is required for an interview. Do you think that Seema's behavior was appropriate? If not, why? Not at all, because lady did not know about the right product which is required for an interview. Third is, what do you think Seema should have done? Seema at least should guide her during product purchase process. Now we'll discuss these performance criteria under two different elements. Element 1 help customer choose product. PC1 is find out which product feature and benefit interest individual customer and focus on these when discussing product. So as the customer nowadays familiar with so many products, the factors which influence his behavior are psychological factors, family dynamics, social classes, buying process. So psychological factors means which includes his motivational perception and attitude about a particular product. Family dynamics also affect as the spending habit of family, whether it is nuclear or joint family, it affects the buying decision also. Social classes, whether a person or a customer belong to an upper, middle or lower classes, it also influences the buying decision. Buying process, that is why we need particular thing. This will discuss in the next video how buying process, but is buying process will influence the decision of a person. The customer wants to choose the product on the basis of following features. These are, we'll discuss one by one. Usage requirement, what is the uses of a particular product. For example, customer need a washing machine for washing, so customer uses for the product is washing. Brand option is another factor which influence the choice of the product. Customer may need the product according to brand. Example, washing machine may be available in multiple brands like Whirlpool, Samsung, IFB, etc. So if the customer in the brand loyal or conscious, he may buy accordingly. Existing skill and knowledge, product knowledge and skill about the use of the product may help to choose a product by a customer. For example, if person has knowledge about how to drive a car, he may have skill and knowledge about different products which help in choosing the products. Now, existing skills and knowledge. Existing skill and knowledge, as we discussed earlier. Now, experienced professionals or hobby needs. Experienced professional and hobby needs also affects the customer choice of the product. As per experience or professional needs or a hobby need one customer should have, also affects the choice of the products. Color preferences, durability and style. Color preferences in case of apparel, vehicle, etc. Durability in case of vehicle, furniture, etc. And style, moreover, also impact the customer choice of product. Fashion and preferences. Fashion in case of apparels and preferences of the customer about the product may impact the customer choice. Health factor, as the name suggests, health factor like choice of the product service with respect to health, like in case of corona epidemic, the most important health product mask, sanitizer and gloves, etc. needed in case of medical emergency service of uh, either ambulance or taxi for the going to the hospital is required. This is the need of the hour, and this also affect the choice of the customer. Price, another important factor, price. If someone has less budget for high price product, with time the customer may change his choice. Culture, with existing culture it may impact the choice or interest of the customer. Age suitability, product choice according to age of a customer, example small or soft toys for the kids. Another factor is lifestyle, which also influence the choice of the product of the on the basis of these factors one can choose the products. Now, PC2, describe and explain clearly and accurately relevant product features and benefits to the customers. Today customer does thorough investigation before purchasing. Give your so one should, as a CSA, give your product demonstration with presentation skills. Explain each features and benefit of the product clearly and accurately as the customer is aware about the product. Don't make any false explanation and commitment to the customer while demonstrating a product. So one should describe and explain clearly and accurately the relevant product features and benefits to the customers. Now PC. Third, compare and contrast product in the way that help customer choose the product that best meet their needs. To help the customer in making decision about purchase, we need to suggest a criteria for the use of the purchase. Check customer response in his her explanation and confirm their interest in the product. For making a sale, we have to confirm the customer interest in the product, the action a person take in purchasing and using product and service, including the mental and social processes that proceed and follow these actions. PC5 encourage customer to ask question and respond to their question, comment, objection in a way that promote the sales and goodwill. Once customer decided the product to be purchased, encourage them to ask question. If they have any objection, comment, try to respond in logical manner. If RSA will give the response clearly, it will promote the sale as well as goodwill of the company. Now, PC6 identify suitable opportunity to tell the customer about associated and additional product and do so in a way that promotes sales and goodwill. After buying a product, the consumer compare it with expectations and is either satisfied or dissatisfied. Satisfaction or dissatisfaction affects customer value perception. Consumer communications, repeated purchase behavior. Many firms work to produce positive post purchases communication among consumer and contribute to the relationship between seller and buyer. As you can aware about, whenever a person purchase things from the retail outlet like Vishal Megamart or Big Bazaar, he may keep on receiving the messages from these outlet for special offer for special loyal customers. PC7 constantly check the store for security, safety, and potential sale whilst helping customer. So, following things to be ensured during the customer purchase: store should be spick and span, light should be proper, shelf should be full and steady, signage should be proper, fire exits should be clear and accessible, and changing room aisles should be clear. Now, element 2, check the customer's preferences and buying decision when making sales. PC8, give customer enough time to evaluate product and ask questions. The steps the customer may skip in purchase decision involves the level of involvement, the personal, social, and economic significance of purchase. The three characteristics of high involvement purchase are: product is expensive, can have serious personal consequences, could reflect one's social image. As you have seen in the case study, as the lady purchases an electrical red dress, it has serious personal consequences at the time of interview. As in interview, the casual dress is required. No, the casual dress is not required in the interview. It's required formal dress. So product is expensive and can lead to a certain serious personal consequences and also reflect one's social image through clothes. So give customer enough time to evaluate the product and ask question whenever necessary. PC9 handle objections and question in a way that promotes sales and keep the customers confidence. Not compulsory that all customer will come back, only if you will come back. No one like hearing complaints, but if you handle the objection and question related to the product carefully or in a logical manner, it will promote sale. Position your business to reap the benefit of good customer service by answering questions or objections of a customer, and it will definitely help in promoting the sales of the product. PC10 identify the need for additional and associated products and take the opportunity to increase the sales. So always go an extra mile to boost your business. Offer a coupon of discount or an offer. It will help you to give an opportunity to increase the business or the sale by providing extra product by cross selling or by upselling. Clearly acknowledge the customer's buying decision. Decision making is a psychological process or mental process. It is very difficult to choose the best product among other alternative. We can't see a decision. It always inform from the behavior of the customer. Always give regards or acknowledge the customer buying decision whenever he purchases a thing or a product from the store. PC12 clearly explain any consumer right that apply. Under Sales of Good Act, good must be described of satisfactory quality and fit for the purpose. For example, if a person requires rollerboard pin for chapati making, we can show him electrical chapati maker also. It clearly explain his satisfactory quality and fit for the purpose for chapati making. So clearly, always clearly explain any customer right that apply to a particular product. PC13, which is the last performance criteria, clearly explain the customer where to pay for their purchase. After purchasing the thing, customer has to pay. The customer must be informed about billing section in order to make purchase complete. The POS, point of sale or point of purchase POP, should be at appropriate places. In all stores, these two departments are at appropriate place, so customer must be informed about this section in order to make the purchase complete. So this is all about the NOS, help customer to choose the right product under two elements. Thank you. Have a nice day.